Top 5 Best Car Foam Cannon. Top 1. 2 Daily Foam Cannon with 1/4 inch quick connector, 1 liter. 5 pressure washer nozzle tips. Adjustable snow foam lance with 1/4 quick disconnection fitting. Container capacity 1 liter 0.22 gallon. Specification 1000 psi to 3000 psi. Easy to install. Fill some soap into the bottle with warm water to get thick foam. Then connect 1/4 quick connection plug to pressure washer gunner wand. Finally, adjust the knob on the top to desired foam level, and then foam blaster will disperse thick foam. The knob adjusts the foam dispensing amount, and the nozzle adjusts the sprinkle pattern. Application: ideal for motorcycle, car washing, roofs, driveways, siding washing, floors, windows washing. It is Top 2. MATCC Foam Cannon 3 Heavy Duty Car Foam Blaster. MATCC Foam Cannon 3 use thicker and heavier brass core for durable use and leak-free when use it. Heavy-duty foam core make foam more dense and thick. Pour soap liquid to bottle easily, no waste. Extra wide neck to prevent neck from cracking. Easy to use, professional choice for guys who love cars. With filter on the end of tube, filter particles in the soap or water, never scratch car paint. Top 3. Chemical Guys HOL 148 16-piece Arsenal Builder Wash Kit with Torq Blaster Foam Gun. If you love cars, then a clean car brings you nothing but happiness. This kit not only has everything you need to keep the exterior of your car looking great, but it also has the tools to make cleaning your car fast, easy and fun for the entire family. The foam gun hooks up to any standard hose, so there are no additional tools or machines required to produce foamy cleaning fun. Foamy fun. If you love cars, then a clean car brings you nothing but happiness. This kit not only has everything you need to keep the exterior of your car looking great, but it also has the tools to make cleaning your car fast, easy and fun for the entire family. The foam gun hooks up to any standard hose, so there are no additional tools or machines required to produce foamy cleaning fun. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys, not only for the finest car care products, but the world-class. Top 4. Chemical Guys ACC 326 Torq Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun. The detailer's secret: car wash foam is one of the professional secrets to a scratch-free car wash. The Torq Foam Blaster Foam Gun turns a car wash into a foam bubble bath for your car. Bathing a car with slick car wash foam removes abrasive dirt particles gently and without grinding them into paintwork. Stop scratching your paint. Over 95% of swirls and scratches come from improper car washing and drying techniques in products. Adding slick car wash foam to the equation drastically reduces the risk of installing swirls and scratches on painted surfaces. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys, not only for the finest car care products, but the world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. Chemical. Top 5. MINGLE Foam Cannon, replacement parts for Sunjoe SPX Series Pressure Washer. Pressure washer gun adapter, it converts to 1/4 quick disconnect female fitting. One end connects gun to pressure washer nozzle tips or foam cannon. The other end is inserted to gun and rotate the adapter clockwise. The Sunjoe pressure washer accessories includes pressure washer gun adapter, foam cannon and nozzles. They are all compatible with SPX 1000, SPX 1500, SPX 2000, SPX 200E, SPX 201E, SPX 2500, SPX 2598, SPX 6000 electric pressure washer. Foam cannon and nozzles works with SPX 3000, SPX 3001, SPX 3500, SPX 4000, SPX 4001 directly. 5 spray nozzle tips. They have different spray angle: 0, 15, 25, 40, 65 degree. Choose different nozzle according to your needs, such as water. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.